Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll be solving the next question of December 13 paper, that is question number 2C. Find the Fourier series expansion for f of x is equal to under root of 1 minus cos x in 0 to 2 pi, and hence we need to deduce this. So I start with series. So f of x is equal to under root of 1 minus cos x, which is equal to, we need to represent in a0 plus summation an cos nx plus summation bn sin nx. So since f of x is under root of 1 minus cos x, we can write f of x as root 2 sin x by 2. So we can say this is nothing but under root of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, so which we can write as root 2 sin x by 2. So let's substitute. So a0 comes to be 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. So that is 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi root 2 sin x by 2 dx. So now we can integrate this, comes to be 1 upon under root 2 into pi. Integration of sin is minus cos x by 2 divided by 1 by 2, where limits are 0 to 2 pi. Once we substitute limit, we get as 1 upon under root 2 into pi, and then minus 2 multiplies 2. When I put 2 pi, that comes to be cos pi minus 1. When I put 0, that again comes to be 1, but upper limit minus lower limit. So finally we can say we got as 4 divided by under root 2 into pi, which is 2 root 2 divided by pi. So that we got as a0. Let's find an. An comes to be 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx dx. So that is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x is root 2 into sin x by 2 into cos nx dx. So that is an. So that we can write this as root 2 divided by pi, and integration we can write 0 to 2 pi, and this term we can write as 1 by 2. So let's write 2 here. Further, sin 1 by 2 plus n into x plus sin 1 by 2 minus n into x, and that is integrated with respect to dx. So further we can write integration of this, that comes to be root 2 divided by 2 pi, and integration of this will be minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2n. So this is a term which you get when you integrate this and divided by, this is nothing but 2n plus 1 divided by 2. So minus of cos, here we can get 1 plus 2n divided by 2. So that's my first term, into x minus 2 divided by 1 minus 2n, and again I get cos of 1 minus 2n divided by 2 into x. The limits are 0 to 2 pi. When we substitute the limits, we get this as, before substituting limits, let's take this 2 outside. So we can write root 2 divided by pi minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2n cos of 1 plus 2n divided by 2 into x minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2n cos of 1 minus 2n divided by 2 into x, and this is 0 to 2 pi.